Okay, good morning. Currently here at corner Kalimavini, Governor A. Reyes Street in Vigan City. If you go straight right here, it's near Calle Crisologo. And I'm back in Vigan after 8 years. And it's so sad that I have to go back just because someone died in the family. And well, I was adopted by Tatang when I was deployed here way back 2014. And with open arms, without checking my background, he adopted me. He opened his doors and provided me with a room, and Nanang would provide me with food. So I have to pay them a modest amount, of course, just to share the burdens of you know going to the market, cooking and everything. I was loved by Tatang and Nanang, and yeah, so I'm here early morning because my hotel has a 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Breakfast buffet. So this is just a quick trip because Tatang died yesterday, July 4, and I have to hurry myself to book a ticket. If my previous vlog, Iloilo to Clark F. So this is Calle Plaridel. See, it's early morning, 6 a.m. and it's Typhoon Bising. The throw of Typhoon Bising is still affecting Ilocos area, although the typhoon is outside Philippine area of responsibility. Anyways, it's just sad that everything was already planned next month to go here to a vacation for my birthday, but unfortunately Tatang died this month. Oh, the bakery is still here. This is the new Heritage Bakery, and it's still here. Now this is the famous, I think, yeah, this is the famous Calle Crisologo. There you go. It's early morning. I think it's 6:30. So going there until here, no four-wheel vehicles are allowed. This is the New Heritage Bakery. Yeah, this is Calle Crisologo. The bakery is still here way back 2017 when I left. It's still here. 2014 when I came, it's still there. So well-preserved bakery. Bartek just opened 2017, I think, or 2016, way back. There you go. Somehow, because it's raining, it's a southwest monsoon affecting west side of the country, so rains would be normal. But in summer, especially December also, a lot of people will go here for road trip. Cafe Uno, I think this is new one for me. So we're going north to the main road near Bantay. Yeah, Coffee Break Vegan is still there. There we go. So here you can buy souvenir shops here. Well, my wife already bought some way back. Some of the souvenir shops. There you go. Let me try my Ilocano. Naimbag na aldaw, tama? Thank you. This is oh, Starbucks is here. So this is the no, I mean, you're in Cali Crisologo. Why patronize and not a Filipino brand? Patronize something like this or local coffee shop. Well, Starbucks is everywhere, especially in every tourist spot. They're trying to sell coffee. Just trying to sell coffee, even though they are not a Filipino brand. This is a Filipino, although this is a Spanish-inspired Filipino area. Well, I encourage you all to visit local coffee shops. There you go. Well, I used to ride here with my bike because riding a bike here is permittable, allowable. That was way back 2014 to 2017. There's a bank here in Cali Crisologo called Cordillera Bank. Well, of course you have to, this is the most iconic place if you want to go to Vigan. Other places are also being promoted, but This one is the original one. Where do you have to go? Why do you have to go to Vegan? As a tourist, me, I work here for 3 years, so I've been here several times. Way back. Now after 8 years, I visited this place, and it's just keep on renovating, keep on improving. Yeah, the only permanent thing in life is change. So back to my personal story. I'm going back to Iloilo tomorrow to catch an 11 a.m. flight. So I'll have to ride a bus again from here to Pasay. That's around 8 to 10 hours of wee morning bus ride. But yeah, so we are in corner Calle Crisologo, Calle General Luna, and you'll see. Oh, it's still there. This is the seat where I sit, where I sat from way back 2014. That one, I think, that one. Yeah, it's still there. It's nice to see the place again. Hello, doggy. It's a little bit light rain showers to drizzle here, and they are restoration. Yep. Well, the government funds this one, I think, because history or the past is also important. Yeah. There you go. Imagine a property like this one would be preserved. Yep, will be preserved by the city government. Oh, there's a hotel here. It's called Tahumi Lodge. Yep. That's I think this already here. Yeah, Collado is already there. Way back. It's called the Lodge. Well, island souvenirs also. So this one are souvenir shops, and it's open, but this is early morning. So I'm not sure if Mang Inasal is still there. But this is the going to the entrance of Calle Crisologo if you're from Plaza Burgos. So yeah, way back vlogging 2017, I think, it was not really that popular, so I was not really that on vlogging or taking videos. It's just sad that I have to go back here just because someone died. That's what I am saying since I started this video. I always wanted to go back because the place is really nice. The people are really nice. You see, have you observed? Have you observed all throughout since I was walking way back there in General area, Governor area? Yes, there's no single vandalism on the wall. See, and somehow way back. Oh, JTC is still there. Yep, JTC is still there. Mang Inasal is still here. Island souvenirs, way back. So that's the main entrance there. I think Max is already. See, a bike is allowed. So if you want to ride a bike, bring your bike here. And so this is a grocery store actually. So if you really want to ride a bike here, that's it. That's allowed in here. Calesa also. See, and it's just nice to be here again. So this is the entrance from the Church of Vegan. I have to end this video now to take some pictures. I hope I will take another video part 2. It's just I want you to know that as Tatang would say, you cannot choose between having too much money or having too much friends. You have to choose only one. So you have to balance everything in life. Thank you for watching my video.